Hey guys, Mr. Tepper again. I'm still up in my bungalow. This is a boat rack I built last year. It's like 60 feet long. You can put the boats on it. You can see down in the corner. About a week ago, a tree fell on it and took out a bunch of the bars, and even broke this huge big timber like it was a toothpick. So my friend Ronnie and he came up to help me today. We replaced most of the bars, and we still have to dig another hole for a new pipe. But again, just coming at you from a different place. And my only message today is, if you need me, jtepper@klschools.org. Just reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to talk with you, and I'd be happy to hear from you. I've heard from a lot of the sixth graders, soon to be seventh graders, and it's been a lot of fun. So please shout out if you need anything, or if you just want to talk. Talk to you soon. Bye.